Hi!
Today po, we will be ranking our Filipino snacks po, our country's snacks po,
Mga chips.
and drinks.
Same to dun sa na-watch ni Gabe eh.
Opo.
Cheese ring daw first.
Let's open it.
Nung bata ako, favorite ko na rin to.
I used to like this.
Kasali rin si Mami. Siya yung scorer. Irarang kasi, di ba, may score.
Opo.
S to F.
S being the highest, F being the lowest.
It's so good.
Dami.
Good.
It's sweet.
Cheesy.
Yeah.
Still the same. Ano yung cheese
Sisig
ring na
ulit,
naabutan
bata.
ko. Yun pa rin.
And if you're bored with this, you can, ano po,
Yeah.
do it like this. As
Make
like
it as a ring.
The rank of this is S.
For you. Taas ah.
Yours.
A lang sa akin.
A.
A wins.
Kay Mami.
A.
A din.
A
A
wins.
wins.
Next, Nova. I also like these, but I like the cheese better. But I'm feeling barbecue right now.
Ito yung kinuha niya kanina sa grocery.
Let's
Go.
open it.
Natin. In-open ko ng maayos kasi hindi naman ito mauubos lahat. So, itatag, i-seal ulit natin. Here you go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's a bit spicy, but not that spicy. You can handle it. It's peppery, and it has a little taste of barbecue.
Yes,
It's
barbecue
healthy.
to. Ako fan ako ng barbecue tsaka ng spicy.
I like country cheddar.
This is my rank. My rank is B. Not bad.
B din sa akin. Hey, Mami.
C.
B
Let's go
wins.
with
B
C.
wins.
Next, piato.
Sour cream
Sour cream
and
flavor.
onion.
I like sour cream.
Yeah, me too.
You like cheese. I like cheese.
Mommy likes cheese.
So go on A.
Ako sour cream tsaka barbecue.
Yeah. It has same shape.
But give me more.
Gone. Only, did you know maybe only Piatos has this shape, a hexagon?
Go. Good.
Okay.
Wait, I don't remember it like this. It became a little bland.
Kulang yung
So,
powder.
Now, my rank is B, but not B right now because it has a little powder. So, I'm going with C.
Pwede.
S to sa akin dapat. Pero dahil nga iba yung konti yung niya, flavor, A lang. Mami.
B.
B. Yeah. So,
Paano yun?
A,
ABC.
B, C. But no, B. Okay, wait.
No, B.
It goes with B
We
sa
go with B.
middle.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, next one. Ding dong. This reminds me of the door.
The doorbell.
Doorbell.
Ding dong.
Ding
Ding
dong.
dong.
This one's like, trail
Trail
mix.
mix.
It's just like nuts.
Trail mix salty.
There are others that are salty, and some others are bland. It's like mixed nuts. Yes, it is mixed meat.
This not. Rank.
C.
Give rank. C, daddy.
C din sa akin.
C. C.
Not a fan.
Also C
Sa'yo?
for me.
Ah, C din. O, pare-parehas kaming
C,
tatlo.
yeah. Okay, recap. Recap. We got cheese ring A, Nova B, Piatos B, Ding Dong C. Let's go to the drinks.
Let's get
Next.
ready. I'm looking forward for this. Choc O.
Lahat ng to, si Gabe lang rin pumili.
Next, Choc O. I'm looking forward for this. But it also has a maze here.
At, yung mga pack, may mga activities.
You go first.
Ikaw na.
This is actually good. Tastes like Chucky, but less sugar.
Tastes like chocolate. Good.
What's your rank?
Zesto.
A.
A for Gabe, for daddy.
B.
B for daddy. B also for me.
B wins.
B. Okay, next. Vita.
We got spicy barbecue flavor. B to the honor.
Ito.
Original.
Gusto ko.
Baan sa field trip.
V-cut. The reason why it's called V-cut because look at the shape. There's lines. It's all good. It's so good. Give me
Good.
that.
This is the only barbecue that I really like.
This is so good.
Ang issue lang ito, medyo onti na yung laman niya.
Half air.
Pero maharap pa rin.
Sarap.
My rank is S. Just kidding. A, since it's half bag.
Daddy.
A din.
A also for me. A.
Atla ulit kami.
But if cheese, that's S.
Now,
What's next?
this is what my mom is looking for.
Filter
Yes. Mommy, I bet you will like this.
Yeah. Super max.
It looks like Doritos.
Na ano. Timo version.
Doritos.
This is so good. This is so good. It's so good. So good.
Tell me. Our childhood.
Dahan-dahan lang na. Good.
Mm.
What's your rank?
S. S here.
Really?
A lang.
Mommy's S then.
Ito yung first S na
Yeah, so good.
dito sa lahat.
Yes. We have 4 seasons. Another drink. We got thirsty.
I also drink this.
Sorry. Go.
Let's open this.
Come on. I also drink this. Okay.
Sarap.
It's pretty sweet.
Ang Four Seasons is one of my favorite ng bata.
Healthy. Del Monte. Ang good. Mas masarap yung ganito kasi dun sa
Oo nga.
I drink this every time it's lunch or dinner. This is my juice. Dahil
Pero mas
maarte.
masarap tong in can kaysa dun sa 1 liter.
Mas
It's
concentrated
actually
na.
sweeter.
Sarap.
Matabang yun nandun sa 1 liter.
Let's go,
What's your rank?
Let's rank.
Hey.
Ready?
A din ako.
A.
Next. Pillows. Another chocolate thing.
Ano yung favorite?
Yan, nung bata pa kami, meron
Hmm.
nito.
Chocolate and ube.
Nakita nga namin yung sa Vietnam. Iba-iba yung flavor.
There's ube.
Fruit durian. Di ba may durian? Cheers. Hello.
The filling doesn't melt anymore. Like, look. Cheers. Look at the filling. It's not melted anymore. It becomes solid.
So good.
Yeah.
But my favorite is ube. Have you tried that? Ube. Really good. Ano ba may small pack dito? Baon pack.
Ay, mas maliit ako. Ito, onti na yung laman nito eh.
Mga 20.
Okay.
What's your
Ranking.
rank?
S again.
Ube.
B.
A.
I will go for
To
A.
break the tie. A.
B sa akin, S. A kay mami. So, meet halfway. A lang.
Last one.
Chocolate.
Classic Pinoy favorite. Chocolate. Mga OFWs yun yung mga binabay nila. No?
The final.
Chocolate.
It's so small.
Oo nga, no? Parang lumiit na nga.
Look. This is the real size before. Mommy.
I'm
Thank
still
you.
eating.
Mr. Chips. There's also another like this called honey and
I know.
Filipinos prefer chocolate.
Cheers.
And it's potol.
Let me take a bite. No. No.
I like
No, thank
flat
you.
tops. I like flat tops more now. That's my childhood. No.
It's good, but I don't like the way it sticks on my mouth.
Madikit eh.
Also, it's so
So sweet.
Kalat. So sweet, so kalat.
both. So, I'm ranking this a D.
Baba.
Adi.
B lang sa akin.
Ako si...
C. We'll go for C.
Hey. Yay!
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, go. This is the total po.
Ang rankings namin as
Fruit family. What's the winner?
The winner is Mr. Chips! Champion!
siya lang yung nakakuha ng S.
Nobody else. Follow for more for part 2.
That's all.
Peace! Thumbs up.
Follow for more.